presentation is on West Bengal Bhabishyat Credit Card Scheme 2023. It is an innovative scheme to provide self-employment to the young entrepreneurs of West Bengal for promotion and development of micro enterprises in the state. The objective is to provide institutional finance for setting up of micro enterprises to the youth of West Bengal. Validity, it has been started from 1st April 2023, and annual income is no bar. Target of coverage 2 lakhs youths per year, and it is absolutely collateral free loan, and margin money is also nil. Any Indian national residing in the state of West Bengal for last 10 years is eligible to apply. Any eligible individual, including motor transport workers and building and other construction workers aged between 18 to 45, they can apply. Only one person from one family is eligible to apply, and here family means self and spouse. Any income generating project in manufacturing, service and trading, business, farm sector can apply if the project is within 5 lakhs. This is the process flow. The main thing is that the entire process is online process. Here the applicant, he can apply directly to the block through online, or if he resides in some municipality, he can apply to the municipality. If it is corporation, then he can apply to corporation, and this Kolkata Municipal Corporation, they can also directly apply for KMC. It is everything is through portal, and the entire thing is processed online by BDO, SDO, in municipality by SDO, in corporation by district magistrate, and in KMC area by director MSME. And they process the case, and after checking the prerequisite, they directly in the online mode sending the application to the lending bank for sanction and disbursement. Then the entire process, bank is seeing that one, and bank, if they feel something further required, they send back the application to the system, and after getting rectified application, they are taking action for sanction followed by the disbursement. Yes, preliminary bottlenecks were there. Reluctance of many of the bankers were there because they were afraid of getting huge NPA. But government came forward, and government arranged 100% guarantee for that loan in association with CGTMEs. You know, sir, that CGTME is now providing 85% of guarantee. So government of West Bengal decided to bridge the gap, and this rest 15% government of West Bengal is providing, so that the bank can feel that there is no risk for giving this loan. Second is entrepreneurs were coming in the some areas, usually not conversing with banking rules. So handholding support was given by MSME officials, which has made considerable support. Bankers insist on civil score, which is not always available. Apart from the coverage of CGTMSE, sensitization of bank officials by the district MSME officer proved to be effective for this getting proper entrepreneur by screening the civil score. The disposal of the application could not be undertaken in stipulated time frame. Close monitoring and regular liaison with bank authorities for sponsored cases are being done from the departmental officer, right from the ground level, that is up to the IDO level. This card has some notable features that I would like to tell. The scheme has a fully dedicated portal which involves participation of all stakeholders to track online application from different sectors. Anybody can visualize the application status. To minimize the entry barrier, zero margin money to be deposited by the applicant with no income bar, because we did it with the aim that even poor people can apply if they have this wish to become an entrepreneur. This scheme is 100% collateral free and credit guarantee coverage up to 100%. The scheme covers any income generating project, that is service, trading, business, farm activity, manufacturing, if it is up to 5 lakhs. This is the portal. You can see the entire thing is online. We just told our district level or field level officers to guide from our MFC to help all these entrepreneurs who want to apply. And here is some database. You can see West Bengal Bhabishyat credit card up to April and 18th May. Up to 18th May, this application is there, and you can see the total. It is 59,566 applications we have received, among which 27,924 is the bank loan amount, and subsidy amount is 2103.8, and the application copy sanction of the application is 9468 numbers. Definitely, this is having a replicability thing. The online portal developed by NIC, and it allows to replicate on a modular basis at another location or time to meet the requirement or ever increasing database system capabilities and performance as and then when it arises. The project has been developed in an intensive standardized manner to deal with the huge number of beneficiaries and stakeholders. The necessary speed to process online functionalities, numerous online activities, and the still changing technical upgradation. Outcome is then urban and rural employment generation will be increased. As the scheme mainly concerns with micro enterprises, there is a possibility of mobilization of local resources. A considerable number of employment generation and mobilization of local resources may ensure elevating income at grassroots level, and empowerment of women may also be possible if sufficient number of women participate in the scheme. So far, 18% of the total applicant is women. This is the presentation for our this second Bhabishyat credit card, newly launched project scheme, Bhabishyat credit card.
Well, you said you started this portal in 2023. That's only 5 months.
Past, yes. It is online from 1st April. It is, ma'am, yes. The duration is very less, but it is ongoing. And we are.
No, that's all right. Duration,
Yes.
duration is less, so you won't be knowing the impact of it, right? Because as you said, about 60 lakh 59,566 application has been received. How many have been sanctioned? Only 5,000 something?
6,000 something.
Yeah, something around that.
10,000 and above today. Oh, ma'am, as on today, it is 10,000 and above. It is not there. It is up to 18th May. My colleague is telling, he is looking after that project.
Okay, fine. So when you are doing an online system, the verification also kind of would have been automated. So out of 60,000 sanctioning, only 18,000, the number is the percentage is very small. So what is the success of, I mean, how can you say the portal is going to facilitate?
Ma'am, portal is going to facilitate in the way that it can reach to the remotest part of the state, and anyone, whether he is selling some fish or he is having a cycle repairing shop, he can also apply for micro enterprise lending.
No,
That is
that is all right. No, that is a given benefit. You know, any online system will have the reachability. That's not the issue. But because you are having an online system, things are kind of automated. The
yes, ma'am.
eligibility criteria and screening in, screening out would have been automated. So
It is
it would
automated, ma'am.
have, so it would have increased your efficiency. So your sanctioning power should have gone up. That impact
Yes,
I'm not able to see.
sir, ma'am, that is why we have removed entire official touch points. It is online. Only bank, if they want, they can just go and see the place where the unit, if also bank wants, then only they will go once to see whether the place at all there or not. Just to other
So that means,
entire thing is
yeah.
automatic.
So that means this is a lesson you have learned by implementing this, and
Yes,
you
ma'am.
are going to
And
improve on
also
that.
from our
Yeah.
previous experience of PMEGP, we have done this one.
So that means you are still in the doing stage. It's an
Yes, ma'am.
ongoing project. You are still not
Yes,
completed.
ma'am.
So
Yes, ma'am. We
I
have 2
don't
lakhs
know. I
target
mean,
per year.
sorry.
We have a target of reaching, getting disbursement to 2 lakhs youth per year. Target, whole state
Uh,
target.
yeah. So, and I'm sure you are also targeting at improving your departmental efficiency.
Yes,
That is
sir.
more important. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Just a small question, madam. Why do you have to do it your end? Why can't it be done by the banks? Particularly when the 100% guarantee by the government, banks have no risk. So why this intervention by the government?
Sir, it is a notification started by the MSME department with the help of giving this 15% guarantee coverage, and bank will come only for lending, because when they will see that entire lending they are doing, it has been covered by CGTMSE plus the rest part by the government, then only they will come. But
Yes,
reaching
so
to the entrepreneur, it is our responsibility, sir, our department's
no,
effectiveness.
that's fine. You are facilitating, that's good. But now when you have 100% guarantee, 15% from the government, 85% from the CFGME, why should the bank
Oh,
not come forward on their own? It is their primary job to lend to the MSMEs, and
yes,
more so when
sir.
they have no risk. Why should they still
Uh,
depend on the intervention from the
sir,
government?
sir, just with humble, I would like to present with our last 20 years experience to work for micro and small loans from different central government scheme. We have seen that somehow banks have this apathy to come for micro new entrepreneurs, because I think in my perception, they have the idea that this man cannot get success. So they feel whatever money is there, it will be not a success. So it is our responsibility from our department to make. We are not only doing the portal. We have made 76 sample scheme model schemes. We have uploaded that, and people who are at the block level, they are getting that model scheme, and they are helping that particular person with the model scheme, so that he has the mere basic knowledge of how to proceed, where from he will buy the simple machinery, where from he can get the money, how he maintain the working capital, all these things. So definitely, sir, I feel there must be on government intervention, as both the central and the state government MSME departments are doing for long.
Let's see. Let's see where you reach. All the best.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Very good project. Please keep the good work on going on. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.